Hello, my crafty friends, and welcome to Crafting Today with Handmade Bay Workshop. Today's workshop, I'm going to show you how I choose my papers for my journals. I know it can be overwhelming trying to figure out how to mix and match your papers and incorporate them. I hope this takes out the stress of your designing your journal and keeping it fun. So let's get started. So now you have chosen your theme and images. If you are downloading images for your journal, at this time you should have them printed so your colors are true for matching. Just a reminder, please adhere to copyright and license laws. Check with the creator and see what their rules are of how you may use their images. Time to gather your images. The images will show you what it is the best color combination that will work for your journal to have a unified look. As you can choose what you like, this is a good guideline and hasn't failed me yet. Let's take a look at my images from my bee-themed journal. As you can see, there are colors that really stand out. I see blue, yellow, green, red, and purple. What I do next is separate my images according to these colors. Now let's see how I did. Our first color is blue. I used different shades of blue that matched or closely matched with the images. I also like to incorporate pattern pieces to make it more interesting. This can be tough when you first get started, but you will get the hang of it. See how my pattern paper fits in with other paper in the images, and it has a honeycomb look. Next we have red. I didn't want to do a bright red so it didn't overpower the other colors, so I went with more of a blush. And see how the dot ties in with the image on the left? Looking for these little details will help you when you're choosing patterns. Our green theme adds a nice calming tone. Here is another example of using a pattern paper that will blend in nicely. And of course we have yellow, perfect for bee theme. Here I found two different patterns that go together nicely. Another great find of honeycomb print, and the flowers I felt just would give it a little pop and variety. What do you think? Nothing like pink and purple to brighten any journal. We have light, dark, and a polka dot pattern in the mix. It does not look like the pattern would fit in, but the colors of the dots tie in all the other colors we found in the images. I always like to add a bit of surprise in my journals, and I think it makes it exciting. And finally we have gold and brown. I wanted to use a pattern for this color, so I found this beautiful gold paper with light blue and yellow sprinkled in. I think it fits in perfectly. So here are all the papers that I chose. I think they look great. Separating your images is a great way to begin designing. I do this process on every journal that I start from scratch. If you are altering a book that already has a story, you will see that colors chosen by the illustrator are represented on every page throughout the book. Take those colors and use those to choose your papers the same way we did here. So here's our bee journal. How does it look? It does need some more embellishment, but you do see the papers we chose. What do you think? Do you think you can do this? I know you can. Why not? Give it a try. I hope this tutorial helped you being stress-free with mixing and matching papers for your journal. You can do this. Remember, we're on this journey together. Let's make it a creative one. See you next time.